Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the perfect balance of sweetness and texture in mango ice cream. Imagine standing under a bright July sun with a cold, dripping scoop of vibrant orange gold in your hand. Tropical fruits always feel like a vacation, but nothing captures the spirit of summer quite like mango ice cream. It's more than just a frozen snack. It's a refreshing burst of sunshine that balances floral sweetness with a creamy finish. Whether you're lounging by a pool or hosting a backyard barbecue, this flavor is a consistent crowd favorite for kids and adults alike. In this guide, we'll explore what makes this dessert so special. We'll look at the best mango varieties to source, because the fruit you choose dictates the final results. You'll also learn the differences between traditional dairy bases and creamy vegan alternatives. We'll even cover the technical secrets for achieving a velvety texture without those annoying ice crystals. By the end, you'll be ready to make the best frozen treat of the season right in your own kitchen. What makes the best mango ice cream? The secret to a world-class scoop starts with the science of flavor. Unlike chocolate or vanilla, fruit-based desserts rely heavily on the quality of the raw ingredients. You can't hide a mediocre mango behind sugar and cream. In fact, using perfectly ripe fruit is a non-negotiable step for achieving that signature deep orange color and intense aroma. If the fruit isn't ripe, your ice cream will taste dull and look pale. Balanced sweetness is also a major factor in the final product. Mangoes naturally contain high levels of fructose, but they also have a sharp acidity. When you freeze a mixture, your taste buds become less sensitive to sugar. Therefore, you need to ensure the base is slightly sweeter than you want the final product to be. If the fruit is very tart, you might need a touch of lime juice to brighten the flavor. This acidity cuts through the heavy fat of the cream, which makes the overall taste feel lighter and more refreshing. Texture is just as important as taste. A great scoop should melt slowly and feel smooth on the tongue. Mangoes are unique because their flesh is naturally thick and jammy when blended. This pectin-rich consistency helps bind the water in the recipe, which prevents the formation of large ice crystals. However, you must be careful with the fibrous nature of the fruit. Fiber can turn a gourmet dessert into a stringy mess, so choosing the right type of mango is your first real challenge. Choosing the right mango varieties. Not every mango is created equal when it comes to the freezer. If you walk into a standard grocery store, you'll likely see several different types, but only a few are ideal for ice cream. That's the first part of our mango ice cream guide. We've covered what makes great mango ice cream and how to choose the best mango varieties. In part 2, we'll dive into the techniques for achieving the perfect creamy texture and easy methods you can try at home. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.